Are you interested in how electrical systems work? Do you like precision and working with others to complete a project? Are you good at math? Then you may get a charge out of a career as an electrician. Electricians install, alter, repair, and maintain electrical systems that are designed to provide power for all types of equipment, buildings, structures, and premises. They ensure these systems function properly and adhere to all applicable laws, codes, and regulations. To get the details of what's happening in this career, we spoke to an electrician working in Alberta.
Hi, my name is Barbie and I am an electrician. I build electrical systems and bring them into buildings. I troubleshoot any kind of power that isn't working in the buildings and I make it work. An electrician can work anywhere. You can work industrial, you can work as a commercial electrician, which is what I'm currently working as. You can work residential. You can also work in the hospitals and schools. There's so many different areas you can work as an electrician. Any place that has electricity and power will need an electrician to wire it.
Your retractable lifelines, your lanyards?
A typical day for us would be starting off with all of our safety protocol, getting that in place, interpreting all of your electrical, your mechanical, your architectural drawings, and then from there it's building our infrastructure of our electrical system. So you have to drill your holes, you have to mount your boxes, you have to run your pipe, and then you can run your wire. From there you can mount all of your devices, and then you can turn it all on. Some of the things that will help you in your trade will include being mechanically inclined, having an aptitude for math. It also helps to distinguish colors when you're working with color-coded wires. You need to be fit. You need to be able to lift 50 pounds, and you have to be able to climb ladders up and down. You're always climbing up and down stairs. You're on your feet all day. Some of the tools you'll need for the job are going to be drills, your pliers, your wire strippers, depending if you're pulling wire, your tape measure, that's a given. You're going to use your voltmeter, and always screwdrivers. To work in Alberta, an electrician must be one of the following: a registered apprentice, an Alberta certified journey person, or someone that holds a recognized related trade certificate from outside of Alberta. To become an electrician, you need to have your high school diploma or pass an entrance exam. Then to register with Alberta Apprenticeship, apprentices must then find a company willing to hire and train them. So 2.5 and 8.25. If you're super outgoing and ambitious, you're great with working with other people. As you can become a 4-person. You can go into estimator, project management. You can open up your own contracting company if you want. Like, there's so many different facets that you can go down, especially if you're ambitious. I didn't want just a job, I wanted a career where I was going to constantly evolve and constantly learn. And electrical, you're always learning. You can work in this trade for 40 years and still not know everything. And that's one of the things that attracted me to this industry.
For 5/16? Yeah.
The most satisfying part of my job is turning a switch on and all the lights work. You finish piping, you finish pulling the wire, and you turn that switch on and they all come on. It's awesome. Best feeling of my job.
To stay current in this career requires an aptitude for math and being methodical. Organization, communication, safety, and problem-solving skills are also important. It's also useful to have stamina and be comfortable working at heights. If you enjoy dealing with customers and working with others, a career as an electrician may be your creative outlet. Plug into the details of this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, including electrical engineering technologist, communication technician, and safety codes officer. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.